Okay, cool. I'll see you. Yeah. Bye. Last minute Sunday brunch plans with friends. What to serve to drink? Okay, I have an idea. Come with me. So there are generally two ways to make a cocktail. Stirred for the lazy in us. But my guests are special today, so I'm going to make the shaken version. Let's go. So take about 3 to 4 cubes of ice in the shaker itself. This helps to really blend it well. I'm going to use gin. So 1 part of gin. An equal proportion of our Tuscan Sun mix, which is orange peel and rosemary. I blend this, shake till you feel the entire shaker is chill. You don't have to wait for the ice to melt, but it helps if it's nice and chill. And before I pour, I'm going to put some ice in the glass as well, since it is lunchtime and it's a tad bit hot. And with this equal part of soda, I'm going to use some orange slice to garnish. And here you go. Drink this well. And this is Parapo's Brunch Buddy. Cheers!